Every man, every mind creates his own limitations according to the ideas that he accepts concerning himself. And another way to describe the ideas which you have accepted concerning yourself is simply to say self-image. Because the experiences of your life build themselves around your self-image. Every limitation which a man faces is an idea which the mind has accepted and thereby created. And I want to stop for a moment and ask you, what ideas have you accepted about yourself? And I want you to write that question down as you ask it out loudly. What ideas have I accepted about myself? Let's hear it. And I'd like to refer back to the lady's testimony for a moment ago. She said that her daughter began in the bank in a janitorial position. And I'm not in any way looking down upon people who do janitorial work. I've done that too. And I'm glad I did it. And I'm glad I don't have to do it no more. My first job was working all day cleaning a lady's house from the front steps through the house down the back steps. I would scrub. And I declared that that lady never washed a dish all week until I came in on Fridays. And for all of that, I received the princely sum of $1. But this lady's daughter started in the bank in a janitorial position. But notice, she said to her daughter, look around, see what's going on in that bank. See what other kinds of work is being done. And know that you can do some of that same clerical and executive work that you see going on. In other words, if you want a promotion, accept another idea about yourself. Your self-image may now be on the janitorial level, but accept an executive idea of yourself. Accept a managerial idea of yourself. And that's what the young lady did. I experienced life according to my own self-accepted ideas. Come on. Whatever hinders you or helps you is an idea which you have accepted. Whoever hinders you or helps you is an idea which you have accepted. You see, once you accept an idea about yourself, and it is true, you'll find the right people that will help you, and they'll find you. About the lady's testimony concerning her daughter again, moving from janitor to executive in the bank. Notice that while the daughter was cleaning in the bank, she kept looking around. She saw the managers, she saw the executives, and she decided, she said, I am going to the personnel department. And I'm going to ask for a clerical position. What had she done? She had accepted another idea about herself. She began to see herself in a higher position. And she accepted the idea, yes, I can do better. Let me hear you say it. Yes, I can do better. And notice what happened. She approached the personnel manager, or whoever it was, and said, I want to apply for another job. He said, what do you mean, a clerical job? Yes. He said, okay, come on in and get in the training program. Her idea about herself created the right circumstances and the right person to help her to realize that idea. Everybody will relate to you according to your idea about yourself. What did I say? Everybody will relate to you according to your idea about yourself. Sometimes there may be a little static because you've got some static about it. But ultimately, everybody will relate to you according to your idea about yourself. According to your faith, so be it unto you. A man, a mind, is always confronting and fulfilling his own ideas about himself. I like to tell you this again and again and see people's expressions. And so I'm going to lay it on you again. I know exactly how much money each one of you have. I could stand you up one by one all over here and tell you exactly how much money you have. You have the exact amount of money that belongs to your idea of yourself. The clothes you are wearing belong to your idea about yourself. Take a look. The way you comb your hair is because of your idea about yourself. Everything in your life is because of your idea about yourself, according to your faith. So be it unto you. Oh, here's one that I like. The last sentence in the second paragraph. Repeat it after me. A man, a mind, can never go beyond his own ideas about himself. This is why, mystery of mysteries, it may seem sometimes, some people will stay in debt and work 2 and 3 jobs and never get out of debt. You know why? Because they've got the idea of being indebted in their minds about themselves. If you want to get out of debt, the first thing you'd better do is get another idea about yourself and say, I see myself free and clear of debt. Let me hear it. But you see, people get an indebted idea about themselves. And they go around singing that song, can't pay my bills, can't catch up with my money, can't keep no money. And so it is, according to your faith, so be it unto you. All the people and conditions which a man of mind meets in his world are drawn to him by his own ideas about himself. I meet no one but me, says that Reverend Ike. And if you don't like the limitations and conditions which you're creating in your life, be you transformed by the renewing of your mind. Accept some new and better ideas about yourself. Repent. And to repent means to turn your mind around. Divorce and remarry. That means divorce your mind from negative self-limiting ideas and unite with new positive self-expanding ideas. Here's the question again in a slightly different manner. Repeat it after me. What self-limiting ideas am I accepting? Now underline that and cross-examine yourself with this in privacy at home over this week. Ask yourself also the next question, which is a variation on the same theme. What self-limiting ideas am I accepting from the world mind, from other people, from what they say? Who are they anyway? You know, I wonder about them. Have you ever heard what they say? You know, they say when you get a certain age. They say that if your grandmother's uncle's baby's daughter's husband's cousin had gallstones, that it runs in the family. They say this, they say that. Stop accepting limiting ideas from what they say. Don't let them determine your self-image. Don't let them run your life. Don't let them tell you what you can't be and do and have. Don't even let your mama tell you what you can't have. As long as you're willing to work and pay for it.